My name is John Antloger. I'm a service advisor here at Team One Auto. So I think what sets Team One apart from all the other jobs that I've worked is it is truly a family environment. You know, that's kind of a cliche. It kind of sounds played out, but it really is. I mean, we take care of each other, and you know, if there's ever anything, we can always talk to each other about it and go to one another. And if there's anything that's needed, you know, we're always welcome to talk to anyone as far as, you know, hey, do you need supplies? Do you need this? Do you need that? You need to talk to someone about a certain thing. There's always an answer, and there's always someone that you can go to, so you're not just kind of left wondering, you know, who do I talk to about this? It's always a straight answer. So I think the type of person that would like working at Team One is somebody that's ambitious, ready to work hard, play hard as well. You know, we do a lot of stuff outside of work too. We do a lot of meals here at work, so if you're willing to come out here and work hard, then, you know, we do play hard too. We go out on track days, do car meets, driving events, all types of stuff. I think somebody that wouldn't like to work at Team One is maybe somebody that's not ambitious, you know, looking for a slower paced job. Someone that just wants to kick back and not work hard. It probably wouldn't work out too well for them. I think my favorite thing about working at Team One is getting to work around German cars. It's kind of a passion of mine. It's always been a passion of mine, so that was one of the strong points in me coming over here is the ability to work with German cars, and really not even just them, but all types of vehicles. We see everything here, and it's nice to see all flavors. You see the old schools, you see the exotics, you know, you see of course, German cars. Get to see a lot of things, and you know, being a car person, that's pretty important to me. I think if you were thinking about applying to Team One, first step would be to just come out here and see it in person. You know, come see us up front. We'd be happy to show you around the shop and show you what we do here, just so you can kind of get a feel for what's going on and see what it's like boots on the ground.